This short video is going to share with you how you can firstly download the Zoom software either to your desktop or as an app on your phone. So you need to have the software or the app, and you need to have a number of the room where you can get into. So if you just put into your search bar zoom.us download and then click on the download Zoom button, it will automatically start downloading for you. And I recommend just putting the installer to your desktop, and then when it has downloaded it there, you can just go and double click on it and it will install the software onto your computer. Now I have already downloaded it onto my computer, so I'm going to just leave that where it is. So on your phone, you can either go to the Apple Store, or if you've got an Android, you can go to Google Play. So I'm just going to cancel that, the Zoom installer. You would go to either the Apple Store or Google Play, and you will install the software onto your phone. Once you've done that, that is the icon that you will be looking for when you want to go to a meeting. You double click on that icon and you will come up with a message like this, where you can either join a meeting or you can sign in. If all you're doing is joining a meeting, you don't have to sign in. You can just click on that join a meeting. You will be given a meeting ID, and there will be 9 or 10 digits at the end. When you click on join a meeting, it will ask you for the meeting ID or personal link. That is where you enter it, and then you press the join button. That will then take you into a room. It will ask you if you want to have your video on. You can say yes, because it is always better when we can actually see people face to face. And there will be a button where you can either mute yourself or unmute yourself. And it is as simple as that, very easy. And once you're in the room, the other person can also help you. So I hope you found that helpful and easy to use.